In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to withdraw GCash in Japan. If you're traveling and want convenient access to your funds, the GCash card makes it straightforward. Think of it as a prepaid debit card linked to your GCash wallet, running on the Visa network. Before you go, make sure your GCash account is fully verified and your GCash card is activated. That way, you're ready to use international ATMs as soon as you arrive. It also helps to check your wallet balance ahead of time so you know you have enough for your trip. Once you're in Japan, head to an ATM that accepts Visa cards. You'll typically find these in airports, train stations, convenience stores, and bank branches. Look for the Visa logo on the machine or screen to be sure. Insert your GCash card, enter your PIN carefully, and choose the withdrawal option on the display. Follow the prompts to select the amount you need. The machine will dispense cash in Japanese yen, and the equivalent amount will be deducted from your GCash wallet. Keep in mind that international withdrawal fees and foreign exchange charges may apply. These can include fees from the ATM operator and standard charges for converting your wallet balance into yen. It's a good idea to check the latest applicable fees and rates inside the GCash app so you know what to expect. Also remember that daily or per transaction limits can affect how much you're able to take out in one go. If the ATM offers a receipt, take it with you so you can compare the details with your in-app transaction history later. Beyond cash withdrawals, you can also use your GCash card for cashless payments wherever Visa is accepted in Japan. That covers many stores, restaurants, and transport terminals. Just tap, insert, or swipe your card at checkout, and the purchase amount will be taken from your GCash wallet in yen. As with withdrawals, make sure you have enough balance before you pay, and be aware that foreign exchange charges may apply based on the current rates. For your security, never share your card PIN with anyone, and shield the keypad when entering it at ATMs and payment terminals. After each transaction, take a moment to confirm you've retrieved your card and cash. It's also smart to regularly monitor your transaction history in the GCash app so you can stay on top of your spending. That's it. Verify and activate before you travel. Use Visa-enabled ATMs in Japan and manage your balance and fees in the app for a smooth experience.